That is so... That is so about the massage. That is so... That is so about the massage.
Duck, duck, duck. Goose! Oh, shit, Daryl! Sometimes I'll just stir shit up for no reason. Come on, Vicky. Give me a hickey. Did you just take a dump in my yard and try to cover it up?
No.
Don't lie to me, boy!
Oh man, I love these grapes. Whoa! Man, what are you doing? It's like my whole salary right here. I had to guard dump for like 7 hours for these things. Hey, are you not listening? Oh my God, Joe. Oh, get your stanky ass goat cheese breath away from me, okay? Here, I give you permission to lick my paw. Yes, you can lick the paw, and that is all you can do. You are not licking it. You are sniffing it, you stupid goat. Why are your eyeballs like rectangles? Oh, come on, Jan. I've been real good. I haven't pooped in the house in like 3 months. Like, oh, vanilla. My favorite. Remember that scene in Air Bud where they gave him the food and it was like really cute? You were laughing. We could be really cute and laughing if you just give me...
Dude, what even is that? Give it to me. Oh! Oh!
That thing.
No cred. Mama e inteligent, n-am putut să dea pe acolo jos.
You're not filming, I hear you. Let it go, Tonks, let's go. The other dog's coming.
Look at all these little fucking things. I got a baby possum. Yes, I do. A baby possum.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait. Everybody calm down!
Comments.
Oh God, I'm telling you, like a
Bully?
yeah.
Feeling fine. Don't get